Hello, my name is Tosh. Today I will be talking about particle wo. Okay, so when you learn verbs, you need to use these verbs together with particle. So today let me talk about particle o. So you need o particle when you want to say do something. Do something. For example, eat sushi, watch Netflix, drink coffee. So we have action to do something, eat, and also we have object. We call it direct object, sushi. So this action and object, or direct object, they will be connected by o particle in Japanese language. For example, if you want to say eat sushi, you need object first, sushi, and then you need o particle, sushi o, and then you need verb to eat, present affirmative tense, so 食べます。Okay, 寿司を食べます。So when you have action, 食べます action, and also direct object, they will be connected by particle o. Okay, 寿司を食べます。Same for next sentence. So we need to say watch Netflix. So we need object first. Netflix. We just say Netflix for Netflix. And then o particle and then watch in present affirmative tense. 見ます。Netflix を見ます。Okay, and then same thing for next sentence, drink coffee. So coffee in Japanese, コーヒー. And then o particle. And then to drink, 飲む in present affirmative tense. So 飲みます. Okay. So you need o particle when you have action and direct object. O particle connects these two. Okay. So this is how you use o particle. I hope you learned something new today. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and then subscribe to my channel. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section. ありがとうございます。じゃあまた。